Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook perfect white rice in a pot. First, let's get started with the preparation. For 2 servings, measure out 1 cup of white rice. It's important to rinse your rice under cold water until the water is completely clear. This simple step helps remove extra starch, which prevents your rice from becoming too sticky and ensures a fluffy texture every time. It only takes a couple of minutes. Now that your rice is clean, let's talk about the water. For every 1 cup of white rice, you'll need 1 3/4 cups of water. This ratio is key for perfectly cooked grains. Don't forget to add about a half teaspoon of salt to the water. It really brings out the flavor of the rice. Place your rinsed rice, water, and salt into a heavy-bottomed pot with a lid that fits snugly. With everything in the pot, it's time to cook. Bring the water to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once it's boiling, immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Cover the pot tightly with its lid and let it simmer undisturbed for exactly 18 minutes. It's crucial not to lift the lid or stir the rice during this time, as this allows the steam to cook the grains evenly. After 18 minutes, turn off the heat completely. Keep the lid on and let the rice rest for an additional 10 minutes. This resting period is vital as it allows the remaining steam to finish cooking the rice and ensures a tender, fluffy texture. Finally, remove the lid and gently fluff the rice with a fork. Your perfectly cooked white rice is now ready to be served and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.